All right, welcome to our life in the Philippines. Today we're gonna run and do a few errands, and I figured I'd take um, us through Clark. We gotta go north, and normally I go up MacArthur, but I decided to go through Clark today, and I was thinking I'll take you through Clark Gate. Look at that little dog. It is about to get run over. All right, so Christmas is over. Been a pretty decent Christmas, even though our last few days over Christmas actually had quite a bit of clouds and rain, and Christmas Day actually it was raining, and the day after that it was raining, and it was raining all night. So we had like a rainy, wet Christmas. At your right, you have the bus or jeepney terminal, and a little further up here you have SM on the right hand side. So we're gonna go through the Clark Gate and up through the new, well, really it's not new, but it's been there for a couple of years, the Mabalacat Gate, and it might be more than 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. I didn't start using it until maybe around a couple of years ago. But it's a good way to go if MacArthur is filled up with traffic, because here you have absolutely no traffic. It's a little further, longer distance, and the drive time is probably about 25 minutes or so up to where we are going. If you go up MacArthur and no traffic, it's probably 10, 15, no, well, 15 minutes maybe. But I like this way. No traffic, no smoke, no exhaust, no fumes, and it feels pretty good. I always wondered what this building is to the right. If you look to the right here, you see that Mercedes-Benz emblem. I guess it might be a Mercedes-Benz dealership, but I don't see any cars out there. This road, they have just repaved it, repainted it. It's actually a pretty smooth, nice ride. Like 6 months ago, maybe a year, it was a lot of concrete road. It was choppy, bouncy. Now it's smooth like silk. So let's get up there and get going. Anyway, those of you who hasn't been here for a few years, this is probably all new to you. Here to the right, you have the Clark International Airport, or Air Force Base, known as before, and I think it's still some international flights coming in and out of it, but it has been drastically reduced. I heard the other day, don't know if that's true or not, but that they are now considering not renewing tourist visas. And I'm talking about the guys that were here when this little schismus arrived. They have been allowed to be here, renew their visas and everything, but I heard that 2021 they are not going to do that anymore. So if you're here on a tourist visa, I strongly encourage you to find out what's going on with that. That was told by somebody who claimed to be working in the Marquee Mall immigration. So let's check it out. I'm okay. Those of us that are married or have children here, we're still okay, I think, and don't have to worry about it. All right, so here we are coming up, and I'm gonna go in here and drive towards the airport entrance, and passing by this little Air Force Park in this area. Yeah, they call it the Air Force City, right? So I take this road sometimes, once in a while, when I'm heading up to Severa, northern part of Mabalacat, or even up to Tarlac, and there I go here, just for a simple reason that there is no traffic here. It is pretty decent ride, and no smoke. And by smoke I mean exhaust fume from jeepneys and motorcycles and all that. And I just simply don't like that part. That's one part I don't like about the city here. It's the fact that there's absolutely no control on CO2 exhaust fumes. How jeepneys are passing the tests is beyond me, but you know, I guess money buys anything, right? That gotta be the reason. Alright, so we gotta stop here and hang out for a little bit. Some of these red lights, they can last for 90 seconds. There is one that is like 120, which is 2-3 minutes sitting at a traffic light. So anyway, so here we are coming up on the airport momentarily. It's a little bit of traffic today, but not too bad. I'm actually amazed, you know, with these what do you call it, quarantines and restrictions, that there is still a lot of people out every day. And all right, let's get around this guy. Jeepneys are a pain in the butt, but that's the main mean of transportation here in the Philippines, in many major cities. I wonder what all these buses are about. The area here is pretty nice. There is some nice Korean restaurants and other things. And here is to the right. If you make a right turn here, you get straight up to the Mabalacat gate. It's just a few minutes right from here. It's a pretty straight shot. One or two traffic lights up here, and after that, nothing. It's just a straight shot. I just love it here. Fresh air. Today is, as you can see, it's a little overcast, and but it hasn't been raining, so we'll see. Maybe tonight we'll get a squirt. All right. So here we have the one and only traffic light before you get up to the Mabalacat gate. By the way, I got my wife riding with me.
Yeah.
How you doing back there?
I'm okay.
Right? So we decided to, and that's where we're heading. We're going to go to where?
Severa.
And what are we going to do there?
We go to the market.
Market. And she said she wanted to buy some
cheap clothes.
Little bit of
I buy
couple like t-shirts
yeah,
and that kind of
for
thing.
for New Year.
Yeah, for New Year.
I don't like to buy expensive. I like to buy cheaper clothes.
Yeah, she is the economy manager.
Yeah. Yeah, but if you buy expensive clothes, you can buy only one. But if you go buy cheaper clothes, you can buy more than 10 pieces.
You're right. Smart thinking.
Yeah.
Smart thinking. All right. So this is the road that actually takes you right out to the Mabalacat gate.
Yeah.
Double lanes. And
Because today is
what?
there's traffic on Mabalacat.
Yeah.
So that's why we go on this.
Right.
way.
Yeah. This is why we go here. And when you take this road, you're not having to run through Mabalacat with all the traffic, all the jeepneys, all that.
And then you enjoy the view.
The view. You're right.
Then the air is so like fresh air,
Right.
cold.
Yeah.
I saw the Carabao on the right side.
Yeah.
There's a
Some
Carabao.
Carabao. Farmland.
Yeah, it's a farmland.
Out here somewhere you should see, what do you call it? The mountain in the middle of Luzon.
Arayat?
Arayat?
Yeah, Mount Arayat is you can see the mountain everywhere.
Yeah, well, yeah, that's, you see it all over the place.
Yeah.
Here, they put up a stop sign. Nobody stops, but
I know. I don't no comment.
no comment. We just go.
Because I'm a Filipino, so I know what you're thinking.
I'm a Filipino. Know what you're thinking. That's funny. All right. So anyway, it's a nice day. The sun is not really out, even though you see some blue clouds here, but the sun is behind us and covered it, and it's pretty gray down that way.
Yeah.
All right, so up here you can see the little construction up there, and that is the Mabalacat gate.
Yeah. Exit going
Right.
to Severa.
Yep, this is the Mabalacat gate right here. Always guarded, but they never give you no problem.
No. If you follow the
Rules, yeah.
there's no problem.
Yeah. All right, guys, we are going to wrap this thing up. We are in Mabalacat, coming in through the back door, and we're going to wrap it up, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget our live feeds on Sunday morning on what was I going to say here? Sunday morning and Saturday night, Eastern Standard Time at 8:15. So,
Yeah, and then don't forget guys to visit my YouTube channel, What's Up Manana TV.
yeah, go ahead and do that. I'll put a little link in the information up in the right-hand corner
Yeah.
as well. So, thank you for riding with us. God bless, and we'll see you soon.
Bye.
Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.